You ready?
Yep.
But the first thing you're going to want is your disinfecting solution. You're going to want to cover the whole thing, including the base. A lot of times the base gets missed. Okay? So you're going to let some time pass so that the disinfecting solution can actually do its job. Typically, for most disinfecting solutions, it's going to be multiple minutes. Make sure you follow the instructions on the actual label of the product you're using. And you are then ready to wipe it down. What I tend to do is to do the areas that are going to have the most debris on them. So a lot of time you have a lot of like dust that's built up on the top. So I'll do that. Start with the top and work my way top down. So there's debris here. You can kind of see it there. Okay. Work my way down. This way the whole toilet is being disinfected and wiped down. The handle, I'm gonna save to use a fresh piece of paper or a fresh piece of towel, so it's not after I've done this. I'll jump to the bottom here now, and you're gonna actually wanna do the crevices here. Get all the debris down. Okay? So you do that, and at this point, I'll get a new piece of paper because debris built up on here, so then you'll actually be spreading some of that debris. So fresh piece of paper. Since this is new, I'll then use it to clean this handle to make sure that's fully disinfected. So now that handle is totally clean. All right, and then I'll work my way on this side. So now the sides are tackled. I'm just gonna work my way down the bowl. There you go. And on the bottom, you're gonna just wanna go ahead and go around the whole thing. And I even recommend going to the very back where the mop kind of has a hard time getting to. So you can see there's a lot of buildup there that came off. Lastly, you're going to do the top. So this is where the most contact's going to be made. Fresh piece of paper, starting out. Work your way to the bottom, making sure you get every nook and cranny here. Top here, work your way around the ring. The inside of the bowl is the part that I like to do first. You're going to put your cleaning solution in there. You're going to clean the bottom, clean the ring that forms around here. Typically the ring where the water is where you'll see a brown ring. You want to make sure you're cleaning that every time you clean your bowl. Work your way around, getting more of that cleaning solution, and then work your way under the bridge of the actual toilet here. Scrubbing it all the way around. Okay, and then I like to just for safety measures, work my way down again in the event there are any spots I missed, making sure you give this a detailed, clean, top to bottom around the entirety of the bowl.